operation ng COMELEC itong nakaraan na taon. At alam ko po na mula 2020 hanggang kasalukuyang 2020, may total po na 1.3 billion pesos ang inallocate para sa development ng COMELEC information technology at software systems. So pwede po bang mag-provide ang chair ng update sa Honorable Committee na ito as to ano na yung na-accomplish sa malaking budget na ito so far?
Maraming salamat po, Madam Chair, Your Honor. As far as the improvement of our system and programs are concerned, Your Honor, mas malaking budget po, Your Honor, ang nailaan para sa automated election system of 2022. We were able to spend 2.9 billion pesos, not only for the rent of the machines, but likewise the other collaterals such as mga laptops, such as po yung mga servers, and such other collaterals. Meron din po kami yung na IPPS at the same time yung committee na tinatawag na yan po ay prescribed po ng DPM. Likewise yung registered member, meron po kami voters verification and registration system as well as po yung aming precinct finder na naamin po naman namin na kahit paano ay may mga ilang kapalpakan din, pero just the same po, 35,000 po na hits or 35,000 na attempts to intrude into that system hindi po nagawa because we improved greatly. Noong 2019, Your Honor, if you remember, ay yung aming pong sistema ay nahack, pati po yung mismong precinct finder. But in 2022, 35,000 attempts were made to hack the system. They failed already because of our improved system. Likewise, Your Honor, meron din po kami tinatawag niya AFIS,